major breakthrough in the Fauja Singh hit-and-run case. Now, police in the case have identified SUV involved in the fatal accident. The Fortuner bearing registration number PB2037100 was captured on CCTV footage near the scene. Now, investigators have also recovered broken fragments of the vehicle's headlight, providing crucial leads in the case. Now, the SUV, police say, has changed ownership multiple times, due to which it was difficult to trace the accused in the case. Now, according to officials investigating the case, the suspected driver has been apprehended, though his identity is yet to be officially disclosed. Now, sources say he was picked up soon after the SUV was traced, but there has been no official statement from the police so far. Now, a case has also been registered at Adampur Police Station under sections 281 and also 105 of the Bharatiya Nyay Sanhita. Now, viewers, this accident occurred near Beas, not far from Fauja Singh's native village. Fauja Singh was struck while walking in his native village, Beas, in Jalandhar district, and he sustained severe head injuries and later succumbed to them at a private hospital, unfortunately. Now, viewers, born in 1911, Fauja Singh took up running at the age of 89, years after personal tragedies, including the death of his youngest son. But he went on to run marathons in London, New York, Hong Kong, clocking remarkable times for someone who was born with weak legs. Now, he even carried the Olympic torch in the year 2012 and was honoured by Queen Elizabeth II for his contributions to sport and charity. Now, mourning his passing, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also called him an exceptional athlete who inspired generations. Further, Punjab Governor Gulab Chand Kataria also paid tribute to the runner. Now, his biographer Khushwant Singh confirmed the news, saying the centenarian runner had once been advised to leave behind the places of grief, and he did, running toward life. Now, from a village in Punjab to the streets of global marathons, Fauja Singh redefined what it meant to never give up, essentially. Now, as police close in on the accused, his legacy will live on, and in every runner who refuses to stop and give up. CCTV footage exactly caught the moment when Fauja Singh was hit by a car. Footage on your screen showing you moments before the accident. He was on a run early in the morning when he was hit by an SUV. He sustained severe head injuries in the accident and unfortunately succumbed to those injuries later on. Visuals on your screen showing you the exact moment before the accident took place. Now, in the case, the accused has been apprehended by the police, although no official statement has been released yet.